Hello and welcome to ST Adventures. We're here in Barnoldswick, our hometown, where it's firework night. We've got a bit of a fun fair, so let's have a look around. Yeah, so we're in Barnoldswick, which is in Lancashire. We are on the Victory Park, the football ground. At the event of the football ground is a park, and that's where the fireworks will be set off about 8 o'clock this evening. But we've got a bit of a fun fair, so we'll take you around and then we'll see the fireworks at the end. So come and join us. Hey, we're here. Got the fun house here. A few food stalls and a few kids rides, and we'll see what else there is. We've got a few game stalls here, hook and duck, food and darts, some food stalls.
This one or this one?
Let's shout out to the air now, on top, everybody!
Here we go, we've got a Miami Wave, called Dance Land here. Music's pumping out here in Barnoldswick.
In the ones in the air now, come on, let's do it, let's go!
We've got a Twister. If it's all, it flies up.
This one, if you're riding, you're just in time.
Still on, everyone. Get on the chair swing. Yeah. Fireworks started here.
Exit to the right, please.
Lorna, you like it? Lorna's now going on the little train. Off she goes. Goes away. Hey. Lorna. Woo. Yes, you got some few big rides. It's only a little fair down here at Barnoldswick, but it's something nice for the town. Yeah, we've got the Miami, the Extreme, the Twister for the big ones, chest swing for the little ones, the little elephant ride, the train ride, a fun house, and a few stalls and games. So yeah, that's only a few highlights from the fireworks as well here in Barnoldswick. Yeah, I'm going on the fun house now, Lorna. Yeah? Bye bye, see you in a bit, have fun. Are you going to go on that wheel up there? You can go back up there, you can go on that wheel. Yeah! Go on then. So yeah, we've had a good time, haven't we, at the fireworks at the fun fair as well today. We've been on a few rides, haven't you? I've been on the Twister. You had a few rides. Been on the fun house as well. Hey, good time. Nice to see the fireworks. Yeah. Yeah, it's not a bad little fair at the local town. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for joining us. Bye.